think we're recording now. So I'm going to just pull where we're at right now, where we're going with this energy for the next few days, or just today, really. I do this every day for myself. And my card I picked today was allow yourself to discover yourself newly, time and again. You can see it. I love this deck. It's so miniature, though. That was my card for me. So I'm going to use Juno, which is the goddess of war, which is also Jupiter's wife and good with working with money spells. Went into Aries yesterday at 3:40 in the morning. So I did a money spell, and I might start recording spells like that. I have one going right now too. And I say spell, but all I'm doing is directing energy. So when you're doing anything that's magic, all you're doing is directing energy. Well, these cards came out quick. So I already set the intent for anybody watching. This is for any and everybody. Sorry, I'm whitewashed. We're about to go to the beach. So this message is for any and everybody watching. So where we're at right now is my little rosebud. Do not allow other people's thinking to influence your own decisions. Realize that you have the power to do many things. Well, that's kind of what I was just talking about. When I do magic, that's just me harvesting energy because everything is energy, including us. And all we're doing is when we do magic, we're setting an intentions to like pinpoint that magic. I don't know where to look. To pinpoint that magic. And my phone's about to die. We're about to go to the beach. So where we're at right now, the rosebud fairy came out. And it says, do not allow other people's thinking to influence your own decisions. Realize that you have the power to do many things. Obstacle that can get in the way came out, fairy voyage. As a child of power, you can bring joy and purpose into the world. So an obstacle is are you bringing joy and purpose into the world? Because this came up in the obstacle. So with this coming up, I feel, which is common sense, we are all children of power, which we started off this video talking about manifestations and like magic. And we are all children of the same divine. I've made videos about that. So you can bring joy and purpose to the world because you are a child of power. So that's an obstacle. You have to realize that you are a child of power. Harvest your energy. Stop being so scary at everything. And if you're scary, trace back the roots to what made you even scared of this stuff. What scared you? And our gift card is Forest Spirit. Too bad I'm going to the beach. But the Forest Spirit came out. And you notice the colors up the middle? So the Forest Spirit says, you have the wisdom to make changes in your life. If you act with authority and let go of doubt. Oh, I don't make this stuff up. Clearly you watched me shuffle and watched the conversation we just had and seen the cards that came out. So I don't feel like I need to even pull a clarifying card because this was clearly the simplest message you could get with the conversation I just had. So don't forget, you can harvest this energy. Don't sit and wait for things to happen for you. Don't sit and wait for a savior to come back. If you want to have those talks, we can have those talks too. That took you two years of me just following my inner truth. And how do I do that? Empty me of me and fill me with divine source. Empty myself of myself and fill me with divine source. I am going to pull a butterfly card out just because they're out. So I'll just pull, well, that one looks like it wants to come out already. I'll just pull an overall, just an overall message because you got your where we're at, obstacles, and your lesson card. I mean your gift card. So this is just the overall thing. Make sure you can even see me shuffle my hands. Oh, that one flipped out. Told you I don't make this stuff up. Oh, and the card that flipped out is decisions. Are you going to decide to harvest your own energy and magic and your uniqueness? Or are you going to let other powers mine your uniqueness? What do coal miners do? Coal miners harvest or mine mines. They mine mines. So what do sources or energies already put in place in this planet do? Or this space-time reality we're in? They mine our uniqueness. Your treasure that gets dug out of the mountain is your uniqueness in your mind. That even makes sense. So the card is decisions. I was going to say decisions. Decisions. You decide. Are you going to harvest your own power? If you do, or you need any questions or helps or anything, or would like to know, or what referenced me along my journey, you can email me at realsimpleearth@yahoo.com. Decisions.